pleaded the Fifth Amendment today at the New York Attorney General's office. Back with us is NBC News Justice and Intelligence correspondent Ken Delaney. And Ken, so what do we know about this deposition that the former president had just moments ago?
Trump pleads the Fifth. I would have pled the Fifth too. Why you gotta be cooperating with the law for? Fuck them. Yeah, I will be defiant. I will be defiant. They've been bothering this guy forever. This better be big. Listen, let me tell you something. If Trump did something wrong, let him pay the consequences. Let him pay the consequences realistically. But to raid out the house of a president, if this isn't some national security shit, these people are helping out the president.
So Trump has issued a pretty lengthy statement that obviously was written well in advance, Jose, where he lays out his reasons for taking the Fifth Amendment, and he acknowledges that he once said, if you're innocent, why are you taking the Fifth Amendment? He also said the mob takes the Fifth. That was back in 2016. Well, he took the Fifth today, refused to answer questions, he's telling us, because he believes that this investigation by the New York State Attorney General, a Democrat, is illegitimate, is a witch hunt. He spent paragraph after paragraph attacking State AG Letitia James.
I agree with the president. I agree with him. I believe it's a witch hunt. And I'm telling you right now, they're not gonna find anything big with this guy. They're reaching. They are overreaching. They're children.
Who, in fairness, has criticized Donald Trump pretty vociferously before she launched this investigation. But it's important to point out here, Jose, that every time Letitia James has gone to court in this case and sought things, whether it's testimony or documents from the Trump organization, judges have ruled in her favor. In fact, judges held Donald Trump in contempt of court for his refusal to turn over documents in this case, and they required that he and his children give these sworn depositions. But this answers the mystery. You know, we were talking at the top of the hour. One of Donald.
This guy looks like he's getting his ass tickled. He cannot hide the smirk. The media cannot hide their bias. That's why I like putting the left-wing media so you can see it. So you can see it. This guy, like, he's happy.
Trump's children, Eric Trump, had taken the Fifth in this case.
If this happened happening to Biden, it wouldn't even make me happy. This is our country. This is our press. This is not a good look. This is not a good look. When Nixon got hit with that Watergate, that wasn't a good look for America, man. But these motherfuckers aren't patriotic.
But Ivanka Trump and Don Jr. testified a few weeks ago and were told they did answer questions. But the former president has decided there's too much legal jeopardy. I'll just read a little bit more of what he said. He said, when your family, your company, and all the people in your orbit have become targets of an unfounded, politically motivated witch hunt supported by lawyers, prosecutors, and the fake news media, you have no choice. And he said that the raid on Mar-a-Lago cemented in his mind that he really shouldn't be cooperating with any investigation. You know, Jose...
Exactly. You think I'm going to cooperate with an investigation if I think these people are after me? Nah, it's me versus you now. Now now we're gonna fight. Now we're gonna fight. Why the hell would I cooperate with the law when I already know what they want is to is to hang me? They're not searching for the truth. They're searching for their truth. So in those circumstances, fuck yeah, I plead the Fifth. Fuck out of here, man. Trump is a gangster, 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 gangster. That's what you guys don't realize. And he will win again. I'm telling you, this is only gonna help him. Because I don't believe Trump put us in jeopardy, and I'm telling you what, it's not gonna happen. It's gonna be a big nothing burger, and I already feel it on the left. I heard CNN a couple of hours ago. They're a little nervous. They know they overreached.
Criminal defendants often talk this way. He's not a criminal defendant in this case, he's a civil defendant, but people under investigation often speak this way. The difference is that millions of people across the country, as we know from personal experience, are going to believe every word that Donald Trump says, even despite the fact that the courts have found this was a perfectly legitimate civil fraud investigation, Jose.
Ken Delaney, thank you very much for that.
It's not that I hang on to everything that Trump says. It's that I have a brain. How come they haven't raided Hunter Biden's shit? How come they haven't raided Hillary Clinton's shit? How come we have to be so strict on this guy? I wonder why that is. I'll leave it up to y'all.